Welcome to a special edition of So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today's special edition has nothing to do about sewing, but it is an addition to my sewing room. I received a gift that I think you would enjoy to see. I received a gift in the mail, and it came in this beautiful black velvet hat box. This was sent to me as a welcome to your new sewing space. And even though it's not sewing related, I do think you will enjoy what is in this box, because in the box are beautiful roses. And this lid fits right underneath. These roses are real. The roses still have that beautiful soft velvet feeling, but they have been preserved, which means they're going to stay like this for a year or longer. Now, if it's in a window where you have sun, I'm sure they are going to fade. But if they're not in the sun, they're going to stay this beautiful color. Each rose has been preserved and has been put in these beautiful velvet boxes. The company is called Rose Forever, and that definitely suits the name if those roses are going to live for a long, long time. And because they're real roses, each rose is slightly different. They were preserved and then put in this beautiful hat box. And to keep these roses as beautiful as they are, it is recommended that we do not touch them. Now, I know you're going to be tempted to touch them as soon as you get them, but after that, try not to touch them to keep them as beautiful as we received them. And because they're preserved, I don't need to water them. I could just leave them on my counter and enjoy them. And I happen to have a perfect spot to put these. In my sewing room, I do have one of my very first sewing machines, and I've covered it with a quilt that I've been working on. This table is handy beside my couch so I can do my hand sewing. I have my little thimble keeper, which is a little tiny needlepoint wallet, and the roses look beautiful on this counter. It happens to be right beside my stairs, so as I come down the stairs, this is what I'm going to see every time I walk down the stairs. Thank you, Diane, for sending me these beautiful flowers. I'm definitely going to enjoy them in my new sewing space. And thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.